So Black Friday is your biggest opportunity of the year to finish the year off with a bang. And in this month-long series, we're gonna cover the ins and outs of designing, planning, and executing your best Black Friday special ever. Let's go. Over the next couple days, we'll be walking through the steps of putting together a Black Friday special that will blow your customers away and turn this Black Friday into your most profitable day of 2021. We'll start with the basics of creating an attractive deal. Bundling is one of the most straightforward yet effective ways for you to amplify the value of your offer and make it more compelling to your customers, which is a fancy way of saying how you can put more customers in the front door and get them to buy. It's how you turn a $100 product into a $1,000 offer with minimal effort. So how can you do this with whatever it is that you're selling? Let's go over a couple of basics just to get us started. The first step to any successful bundle offer is what we call bundle mapping. Bundle mapping is a quick exercise where you create a grid and map out what products you have and what you can throw in to a Black Friday special. Start with your existing line of products, courses, guides, leave nothing out. Then list out all the products or upgrades to your existing products that would get your customers excited. What extra stuff could you toss in to make your new bundle even better? Hey guys, it's Scott, and mark your calendars for November 15th because Brian is going to be logging on and giving you guys the exact step-by-step blueprint to follow for manufacturing your own 5-figure sale this Black Friday, November 15th. Click the link down below, mark your calendars. We'll see you there. Think about things like live calls, merchandise, private Slack channels, audiobooks, a mystery prize, whatever might come to mind. And I'll let you in on a little secret. You can create and sell products that don't even exist yet. We call this pre-selling, and it's a great reason to give your customers a killer discount. It gives you the opportunity to say, hey, because this isn't ready yet, you can lock this in at a 30% discount, or something like that. Add it into your offering, and once you sell, then take the time to go and make it. It could be a new course or a bonus episode to a current course. Just make sure that you tell everyone it is in beta or that it's coming soon. So after you map everything out, but before you actually choose what you want to put in this bundle, write a dollar amount next to every single item that you listed. And that dollar amount should answer the question, what is this worth to your customers? And don't underprice yourself. This is completely subjective. When we first sold our baseball training ebook, we valued our $27 ebook at $250. Why? Because that is what it costs to get a personal hitting coach for 1 month. The value isn't about what we charged, but what we believed our ebook was as valuable as. And our customers agreed. So are you trying to value your 30-minute one-on-one coaching call? Call it $100 worth of value. What about that ultimate guide to Photoshop course? That's probably $1,000 worth of value. A lot of our creators will try to be too realistic with this number game. They'll start questioning themselves and imposter syndrome can kick in, and inevitably you end up devaluing what it is that you're selling. Shut that line of thinking down. I'll show you at the end of the video what all these big numbers mean, but for now, just give everything a value. And with that done, we're now ready to build a bundle. Take a look at your whole product map and just select out a couple of things to make a new bundle. And bundle together products that will feed into each other and maximize your customer's experience. We do this all the time here at SamCart. Our one-page masterclass gets bundled in with our Scaling with SamCart course because one course leads into the other. They are the perfect complement and give our customers solutions to multiple different problems. Throwing in a coffee mug or another random course for the hell of it will probably do more harm than good. We want our customers looking at each line item in this bundle and thinking, yep, yes, yep, yep, yep. You never want to confuse people, and a bundled item that just comes out of left field could confuse someone and turn them off from buying altogether. Build bundles that work well together. If you're a fitness coach, how about 3 months of fitness coaching, a customized meal plan, and some workout videos? If you're a marketing agency, how about bundling up a new sales page, a 5-part email campaign to send people to that sales page, and a month of social media posts? Are you a physical product seller? Well, honestly, bundling is super easy for you guys. Just pick a few of your top selling products and bundle them up. Maybe toss in free shipping or even make a video or two to show people how to use your products better. But all that said, make it make sense. Take out your pen and start circling. All right, so now that you've picked out your bundle, this is where the value price tags come into play. This is how you make customers feel like they're getting the deal of a lifetime. Go down the list of everything in your bundle and add up all of those big dollar values. 3 weeks of fitness coaching, $1,500 value. A customized meal plan, $300 value. Workout videos, that's $150 value. Add up all of those, and now you've got the full value of your bundle. And you're going to use that as a comparison tool against what you will ask customers to actually pay. The first number you want your customers to hear is what your bundle is worth. And then you're gonna show them what it actually is going to cost them, which gives your sales price some context and instantly makes your bundle feel like a humongous deal. So this fitness coaching bundle is worth $1,950, $1,950. But you can get it all for this Black Friday only at just $499. And that's how you get your audience to say, shut up and take my money. And congratulations, you're now officially a marketer who can effectively describe the value of what you're selling. Okay, so now once you have all your bundle items circled, let's put it all together over in SamCart. If you're over in SamCart, let's make sure that you have all of your bundle products built and ready to go. And remember, on SamCart, you can create unlimited products. So that means you can create a full price version of your course or each item in your bundle, and then duplicate it and create a discounted version. So what we do is duplicate every product in our bundles and create a discounted price on those new versions. We also like to add something in the title so we can easily know which is which, so something like baseball ebook 30% off. It just makes it easier for us to find once we're inside of our SamCart account. But now that you have your Black Friday bundled products ready to go, you can create and bundle them all together onto one very simple sales page. Open up your main product and click on Advanced Settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and there you're gonna see a box called Bundled Products. And that's where you're gonna add in all of these Black Friday bundled products all into one place. SamCart will automatically add all of these bundled items to your customer's cart, so your customers can see all the awesome extras they get and see the full value of the bundle you're offering. They're buying multiple items, but there is 0 extra clicks involved. It's the best of both worlds. So then you're just gonna click Save at the top and preview your new page, and boom! You've got all your products baked into one very easy bundle. And now you're ready for your Black Friday special to open up, correct? Well, almost. All right, in the next video, we're gonna talk about discounts and pricing strategies, how much to charge and how much to discount. Be sure to subscribe to the SamCart YouTube channel right here to see the next installment of this special Black Friday series, and we'll catch you then.